Hey everyone, we're here to share what's included in our sneak peek club kit for July and some ideas on using the items included. In this kit, you will find the stacking cakes die, the stacking cake stencil, the bonus sentiments with the cute cake and birthday sayings, and the new grip mat in the A2 size. To learn more about the grip mats, please find the link to the intro videos in the description below. Basically, it's a clear sticky mat that can be used over and over. The carrier sheet itself provides some fractions. Along with the corner design of our silicone mats, it's very easy to hold the grip mats in place with the carrier sheet on. Nina left the carrier sheet on the bottom of the mat so she can move and reposition the mat quickly during the card making process. To use the grip mats for ink blending over stencils, you just need to put the die cut piece on the mat and then align the stencil to the die cut piece. Like many of our other stencils, there's etch lines on the stencil to help you align it to the die cuts. You can use some post-it notes to mask off the unwanted cutouts on the stencil, or simply use the gridded guides included in your grip mat for masking. Blending off the clear sheets is smooth like butter. Don't forget to use a dry microfiber cloth to remove the excess ink off your stencil and mask before removing them for the next section. Here's the finished card. It was quick and easy and fun to make. Here's some ideas by our product designer Galina on how she used the cake die and stencil. Galina first die cut the top and bottom tier of the cake from a piece of light pink cardstock, then the middle tier of the cake in a slightly darker pink color. Galina is using a grip mat slightly bigger than the A2 size like you received in your kit, but they work the same. The grip mat helps hold the die cut pieces in place, so you can easily lay the stencil on top to do your ink blending. There are etch lines on the stencil to help you line up the die cut pieces. We found that a dabber-like applicator works the best when applying white inks through the stencil. The one Galina is using is from Sukiniko, and the white ink is by Hero Arts and is called Unicorn. One fun media is to use a small opening on the stencil to apply some of the glitter paste to it. This Glacier Paste by Tonic Studio is the closest we've found that gives you the close look of foil. We just stocked them in our store along with some silicone spatulas. You can also bring your paste to the tiny parts at the end. We absolutely love the frosting dies in this set. You could use them for all kinds of liquid content on your card, but for today's video, they are going to be frosting. With a sentiment from the bonus sentiment sheet and a quick sparkle from the bouquet stencil included in last month's kit, we are all set for the first card. For the second card, Galina is going to use the same top tier of cake dies to cut out the pieces from the assorted cardstock. Add some subtle stencil details and repeat to create the focal point of her card. If you like some glossy accents, don't forget to add some to the frosting for even more shine. We also love how Galina played with the negative space for the die cuts. She combined the top and middle tiers of the cake dies to cut out the window, stenciled the cake with just 2 layers to put together the cake in a smaller scale. This was actually very quick to do, and she made another card with the window cut out directly from the front of her card base. Isn't it so cool? We hope you enjoyed this video and hope you have a ton of fun playing with this new club kit. We will see you again soon.